Stop recording last time. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're back recording.
Bring Kater back inside. He took a piss already.
Let me put my phone. And hopefully it doesn't. Oh my goodness. I'll stop recording.
You should have closed the door.
Close the door.
Where did they find?
Close the door.
And now, don't go to the green, okay? Everybody sit. Don't go to the green.
Wow! Yeah! Oh my God. I was gonna sit there, girl. Hey! Oh my goodness, there's a cockroach on my seat.
And it's gonna get off.
Thanks. Cha-ching! I'm gonna show my face again like the other video. Too bright. I mean, honestly, if I didn't record this, why don't you think I won't record a video for the 4th of July? I'm definitely recording a video for the 4th of July. Like on my other YouTube channel. It's got banned. So I was really sad. I don't got no more YouTube channel until I realized my brother had a spare account that he never used. So I took it to my Reddit and posted a video. And he claimed it as mine for the rest of my life. So yeah, this is my YouTube channel. That is how I've gotten my YouTube channel. These, I don't know why it's good. I'm even making a part 2 video. I've never had 2 parts to one video. No, why is it turning? Yeah, screen there. Oh my goodness.
They're coming.
Oh my!
They're here. Right here.
What is happening? While you're cooking hot dogs, you can see. Oh, the phone is about to die, so I'm gonna charge it. It's a 10% battery, so see you guys. Peace.